So now you've seen us do a lot of moving and shooting drills. We look really good when we're doing it sometimes we don't look so good. But one of the things that makes us look good when we do it is the fundamentals, practicing the fundamentals, things like reloads, things like correct draw, things like shooting targets in tactical order or tactical sequence. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a drill with not a lot of movement. It's basically what's called an El Presidente drill. We're going to start 7 yards from 3 targets with our backs to the targets. At the command go, we're going to turn and we're going to fire on each target. Now normally we'd always want to engage the closest target first. However, these are all the same distance away from us, which means they're all an equal threat to us. So what we want to do is we want to put at least 1 round into each target before we go back and shoot any of the other targets. So we're going to, at the command go, turn, draw, we're going to fire 1 round on each target. On the 3rd target, we're going to do what's called a hammer. That's firing 2 rounds as quickly as possible on that target. Then we're going to come back to the first 2 targets. We're going to put 1 round in each head. So the idea there is we shoot everybody in the chest at least once. The last guy, we shoot him twice. If the first 2 people are still standing, now we want to engage them in the head to make sure they go down. Once we do that, now we're going to add a reload to the drill. So we're going to do a speed reload, and then we're going to do the same drill over again. So in this drill, what we're doing is we're practicing proper presentation of the gun. We're doing a little bit of movement by starting with our backs to the target. We're practicing our tactical sequence, and we're also practicing our reloads. So it's a good drill if you can't do a lot of moving around on the range that you're shooting at.
Shooter ready? Go!
Go!